This is a short video about changing scales on a victorinox. I've watched lots of videos about how to do that, and it all seems like brain surgery or something. But I started doing it myself, and I thought, well, it's not that hard. Anybody can do it. No brain surgery at all. Now, let me start. I bought this compact second-hand, and I recently purchased a new pair of scales of eBay and a toothpick and all of that. These are plus scales. Because I bought it second-hand, I wanted to have new scales on it and clean it and all that. So it really is my compact and not somebody else's. To show you, you get the pins and everything out, you know. I even got a new pen and everything. So, take the screwdriver out. I'm not the best filmer, as you may notice. So, out. This is like out with the old and in with the new. Now, when I watch videos on YouTube, I saw videos of YouTubers putting knives in warm water to make it smooth and softer and all those kind of things. And I thought, well, it's a bit too much. You just put your knife under the scales, flip it up. Carefully, of course. That's one side. I put this pocket clip on. It's a Night Eyes pocket clip, and I will reuse these scales because I love the pocket clip. Now that's all. See, they're off. It's no brain surgery. There's no water needed. Nothing. I'm gonna clean it up later. But first, I'm gonna show you to just pop on the new scales. You click it on. Just look what you're doing, and they will fit. I saw people putting their knives with new scales in devices and all kinds of clamps. You know, if you just click them on, as it should be. Okay. Of course, I'm having a little bit of trouble this time. Never happened, I swear. Well, and you put them on, click them on. No gaps. Here we go. Good as new. Right? Oh, wait a minute. Right. Now, hardware goes in, your pen. It's got even delivered with a new straight pen. I got this new, and the pen. That's all. It's no brain surgery, I swear. It's not. Okay? Thank you.